Europe's largest software company, SAP, announcing yesterday its longtime CEO Bill McDermott is stepping down to be replaced by Jennifer Morgan and Christian Klein as co-CEOs. Joining us now in a first on CNBC interview is Bill McDermott. Bill, over the years, we go way back, and you go way back with the company, too, as CEO of SAP America and then co-CEO. But in what you were either co-CEO or CEO for 10 years, and it had a great run, 175%, of $39 billion to where is it now? About well over $100 billion. Why are you leaving?
Probably about close to 150.
Yeah.
Joe, first of all, let me thank you, Joe, and you're right. We've had a great run together. I've been with SAP 17 years, and I've been CEO 10 years, and that's a long time. At the beginning of 2020, I would have had to announce a decision to renew my contract or not renew. I had made the determination that I wasn't going to renew, so right now was the perfect time to make this transition. As you saw from our earnings release, the company is at maximum strength. Our revenues are growing faster than everyone else's in the cloud. Total revenue, operating income, everything is at an all-time high. And in fact, this quarter, we actually expanded the operating margins 1.5 points, which is something the shareholders have really been looking forward to, which is why the stock is up heavily. So company's in great shape. We hit the ground running with new co-CEOs, and they're going to do a wonderful job. Christian Klein and Jennifer Morgan are fantastic people, and I've been working with them on the board for many years, and I recommended them, and the chairman agreed with me wholeheartedly.
You know, analysts and others do point out, Bill, that it's cloud computing is obviously a really fast-growing area to be in, and Salesforce has been more successful in gaining market share than SAP. And the stock has done great, but in the last 3 months or so, it's down about 14%. And the last report, the profitability of SAP wasn't up to its global peers. Is that sort of why Elliott came in April, and does that have anything to do with you leaving?
Absolutely not. First of all, the stock was up 21% on a year-to-date basis, and it'll be up a lot more after people digest these earnings, I suspect. But let's just clear the air. Salesforce.com is in an area of CRM. SAP has cloud computing solutions in a broad spectrum of offerings, which is why we're growing at 37% in the cloud, and they're growing at about 10 points less than us. So that's just factual. On the operating income, as I said, we have done a lot with organic innovation and some strategic M&A moves. The capital markets have been waiting for the margin expansion story, meaning the margin rate. And that was our pledge this year, to improve the operating margins by 1 point per year between now and 2023. This quarter alone, we were up 1.5 points. So this inflection now for margin expansion is in full flight. Now let me touch on Elliott Management. Let's clear the air on that. Elliott Management has been an excellent investor and an excellent advisor. And we have many excellent investors and advisors. And Elliott has been a total positive, and I've enjoyed my interactions with them very much. That might be contrary to what some people have experienced, but that's my experience.
Okay. The future, I looked at, these are some relatively young people joining. I mean, one of the co-CEOs, 39 years old. You know, Mr. Klein and Ms. Morgan, 48. She ran the cloud computing business. So, I mean, these are the two people that you would have suggested or did suggest to take SAP into the future after you?
Absolutely. Absolutely, Joe. Myself and our chairman and dear friend of mine, Hasso Plattner, about a year ago, we started looking at what is the big bench strength that we have at SAP, and who are the ones that we are going to groom and really give added responsibility so they're ready when the day comes. And Jennifer and Christian were both given very large responsibilities about a year ago. Jennifer running the cloud business group primarily, which is all the acquired companies of SAP. So we trusted 30 billion or so in acquired companies in her hands. Christian was running our flagship S/4HANA initiative, as well as being chief operating officer of the company, and both of them did an outstanding job. So yes, Joe, I firmly recommended them. The chairman agreed with me, and it was ratified on an 18-0 vote by the board.
Yeah, the market likes it as well, I think, today. Bill likes the choices. I think the stock's up about 9 points or so from 115 back to about 124. But we'll see you soon. Who knows what your next move is? You're a young guy, really young, as far as I'm concerned, 58. But
Joe,
we'll hopefully see you here soon.
Politics? You'll be seeing me, Joe.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Count on it.
Could be anything. Politics take over the world. All right. Thank you, Bill McDermott. Appreciate it.